I think overall it was a mixed quarter. Actually, we achieved higher growth, higher sales, and higher earnings. However, when you look at the details, you have to find out that the earnings essentially the increase came from oil and gas and from agricultural solutions, while the chemicals business had a pretty tough third quarter. Volumes were more or less flat, slightly declining, and earnings were much lower than previous year. So I think the current environment is much more demanding than we had expected about a year ago. We have maintained our outlook for the full year, which is we want to beat the record numbers of 2011, both in terms of sales and earnings. However, having said that, you have to keep in mind the increase comes largely from oil and gas. In chemicals, we will most probably not achieve last year's numbers, despite a relatively weak fourth quarter of 2011, which then compares with the current fourth quarter. First of all, people have to eat. That is good news about that business. Nutrition is important around the globe, and the population globally is growing as well. But I think more importantly, we have a great team. They have done an excellent job both in terms of innovation, new products like Xenu, a new blockbuster, but also in terms of market development, sales, and marketing. There are great people out there. And we also have a strong market for soft commodities right now, which also helps farmers still are quite confident, therefore they buy our products as well. But more importantly is really the inner strength of our business, and we have every reason to be proud of what we have achieved in agricultural solutions. First of all, we cannot expect that the economic situation will improve very soon. What we see right now is a flat development for the next couple of months, maybe quarters. And for that reason, we really have to focus on productivity and cost. That is our first concern. We have initiated a big excellence program called STEP late last year. This is full on track to achieve the expected improvements, also including savings. We have a couple of restructurings going on. I think this is important to maintain and improve our competitiveness in these very uncertain times, as you say.